What should you do at an intersection with a flashing yellow signal light? A. Stop before crossing the intersection. B. Slow down and cross carefully. C. Stop and wait for the light to change. Correct answer, B. Slow down and cross carefully. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic signal light is flashing red. What should you do? A. Slow down and proceed with caution. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C. Proceed as if the light is green. Correct answer, B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. What is the correct way to make a left turn from a one-way street onto a one-way street? A. Turn into any lane. B. Turn into the far left lane. C. Turn into the lane closest to the left curb. Correct answer, C. Turn into the lane closest to the left curb. If you drive faster than other vehicles on a road with one lane in each direction and continually pass the other cars, you will A. Help prevent traffic congestion. B. Increase your chances of an accident. C. Get you to your destination faster. Correct answer, B. Increase your chances of an accident. When you see a yellow arrow, it means A. The protected turning time period is ending. B. You should speed up to make the turn before the light changes. C. You have the right of way to turn. Correct answer, A. The protected turning time period is ending. Which of these statements is true about motorcycles? A. Motorcycles are less affected by wind and rain than passenger vehicles. B. Motorcycles should be followed at a greater distance. C. Motorcycles are slower and stop slower than expected. Correct answer, B. Motorcycles should be followed at a greater distance. What should you do if you see a roadwork ahead sign? A. Speed up to pass the roadwork quickly. B. Slow down and be prepared for unexpected conditions. C. Stop and wait for further instructions. Correct answer, B. Slow down and be prepared for unexpected conditions. When can you drive in a bike lane? A. When you are within 200 feet of a cross street where you plan to turn right. B. During rush hour. C. Whenever bicyclists are not present. Correct answer, A. When you are within 200 feet of a cross street where you plan to turn right. You must yield to a pedestrian using a white cane or guide dog. A. Only if the pedestrian is obeying traffic controls. B. Only if a crossing guard is present. C. At all times regardless of the situation. Correct answer, C. At all times regardless of the situation. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A. 20 miles per hour. B. 25 miles per hour. C. 15 miles per hour. Correct answer, C. 15 miles per hour. You may legally block an intersection. A. Under no circumstances. B. When you enter the intersection on the green light. C. During rush hour traffic. Correct answer, A. Under no circumstances. Which of these vehicles must always stop before crossing railroad tracks? A. Motorcycles. B. Tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. C. Vehicles pulling trailers. Correct answer, B. Tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. If you are involved in a traffic collision, you are required to complete and submit a written report, SR1, to the DMV. A. Only if you are at fault. B. If there is property damage of $750 or more, or if there are any injuries. C. Only if you or the other driver is injured. Correct answer, B. If there is property damage of $750 or more, or if there are any injuries. You should usually drive your vehicle slower when A. Passing large trucks on the freeway. B. You see brake lights coming on several vehicles ahead of you. C. You want to look at a controlled accident scene. Correct answer, B. You see brake lights coming on several vehicles ahead of you. Two sets of solid double yellow lines that are 2 or more feet apart. A. May be crossed to enter or exit a private driveway. B. Should be treated as a separate traffic lane. C. May not be crossed for any reason. Correct answer, C. May not be crossed for any reason. When you enter traffic from a full stop, for example, pulling away from the curb, you A. should drive slower than other traffic for 200 feet. B. need a large enough gap to get up to the speed of traffic. C. should wait until your lane is moving. Correct answer B. Need a large enough gap to get up to the speed of traffic. When driving in fog, you should use your A. high beams, B. low beams, C. fog lights only. Correct answer B. low beams. You are required to wear your safety belt in a moving vehicle. A. unless the vehicle was manufactured before 1978. B. unless you are riding in a limousine. C. and failure to do so will result in a traffic ticket. Correct answer C. and failure to do so will result in a traffic ticket. When driving in traffic at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. B. turn on your high beam headlights to better see the vehicles ahead of you. C. keep your instrument panel lights bright to be more visible to other drivers. Correct answer A. drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. A pedestrian starts to cross the street after the "don't walk" signal begins to flash. The pedestrian is in the middle of the street when your signal light changes to green. You should A. proceed if you have the right of way. B. wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. C. carefully drive around the pedestrian. Correct answer B. wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. When parking your vehicle parallel to the curb on a level street, A. your front wheels must be turned toward the street. B. your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. C. one of your rear wheels must touch the curb. Correct answer B. your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. When parking downhill on a two-way street, your front wheels should be A. turn to the left toward the street. B. turn to the right away from the street. C. turn to the right toward the curb. Correct answer C. turn to the right toward the curb. When driving at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. B. turn on your high beams to better see the road ahead. C. drive as you would during the day. Correct answer A. drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. A large truck is ahead of you and is turning right onto a street with two lanes in each direction. The truck A. may complete its turn in either of the two lanes. B. may have to swing wide to complete the right turn. C. must stay in the right lane at all times. Correct answer B. may have to swing wide to complete the right turn. If you are convicted by the court of a first DUI offense, your driving privileges will be suspended for at least A. 1 month, B. 6 months, C. 1 year. Correct answer B. 6 months. You're driving in the far right lane of a multi-lane freeway. A line of 5 cars is merging into your lane ahead from an on-ramp. You should A. maintain your speed and position. B. slow down to let the other vehicles merge. C. speed up to pass the merging vehicle. Correct answer B. slow down to let the other vehicles merge. When driving at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. B. turn on your high beams to better see the vehicles ahead of you. C. keep the instrument panel lights bright to be more visible to other drivers. Correct answer A. drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. If your phone rings while you are driving and you do not have a hands-free device, you should A. answer the call because it may be an emergency. B. let the call go to voicemail. C. check the incoming number before answering the call. Correct answer B. let the call go to voicemail. When you see a yellow school bus with its red lights flashing, you should A. stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing. B. slow down and proceed with caution. C. pass the bus quickly before the lights start flashing. Correct answer A. stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing. The speed limit in any alley is A. 15 miles per hour, B. 20 miles per hour, C. 25 miles per hour. Correct answer, A. 15 miles per hour. When making a right turn from a highway with 2 lanes in your direction, you may turn from A. the lane nearest the curb or edge of the roadway, B. either lane depending on oncoming traffic, C. the left lane if the other lanes are occupied. Correct answer, A. the lane nearest the curb or edge of the roadway. If you have trouble seeing other vehicles because of dust or smoke blowing across the roadway, you should drive slower and turn on your A. parking lights, B. headlights, C. emergency flashers. Correct answer, B. headlights. You are driving on the freeway and notice another driver using a handheld cell phone. What is the best thing to do? A. honk your horn and wave to the driver to stop using the phone. B. increase your following distance. C. get closer to the vehicle so the driver can see you. Correct answer, B. increase your following distance. A school bus ahead of you in your lane is stopped with red lights flashing. You should A. stop, then proceed when you think all the children have exited the bus. B. slow to 25 miles per hour and pass cautiously. C. stop as long as the red lights are flashing. Correct answer, C. stop as long as the red lights are flashing. Which of the following statements about blind spots is true? A. blind spots are eliminated if you have one outside mirror on each side of the vehicle. B. large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. C. blind spots can be checked by looking in your rearview mirrors. Correct answer, B. large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. A safety zone is a specially marked area for passengers to get on or off buses or trolleys. You may not drive through a safety zone. A. at any time for any reason. B. when a bus or trolley is present. C. only when a bus or trolley is present. Correct answer, A. at any time for any reason. You are driving on a one-way street. You may turn left onto another one-way street only if A. a sign permits the turn. B. traffic on the street moves to the right. C. traffic on the street moves to the left. Correct answer, C. traffic on the street moves to the left. When driving in fog, snow, or rain, you should use A. high beam headlights, B. low beam headlights, C. parking lights. Correct answer, B. low beam headlights. When passing a bicyclist, you should A. blast your horn to alert the bicyclist of your presence. B. move as far left as possible in your lane to give extra room. C. pass in the same lane, giving at least 3 feet of space. Correct answer, C. pass in the same lane, giving at least 3 feet of space. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic light is flashing red. What should you do? A. slow down and proceed with caution. B. stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C. proceed as if the light is green. Correct answer, B. stop before entering, then proceed when safe. When making a right turn, you should A. signal and turn immediately. B. signal and reduce your speed. C. turn immediately without signaling. Correct answer, B. signal and reduce your speed. Which of these statements is true about driving and taking medications? A. over-the-counter medications cannot impair your driving ability. B. any medication is safe if prescribed by a doctor. C. even over-the-counter medications can impair your driving ability. Correct answer, C. even over-the-counter medications can impair your driving ability. You want to turn left at an upcoming corner. Give the right-of-way to A. all approaching vehicles. B. oncoming vehicles also turning left. C. pedestrians on the sidewalk waiting for a walk signal. Correct answer, A. all approaching vehicles. You may not park your vehicle. A. on the side of the freeway in an emergency. B. next to a red painted curb. C. within 100 feet of an elementary school. Correct answer B, next to a red painted curb. Which of these vehicles must stop before crossing railroad tracks? A. Tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. B. Motorhomes or pickup trucks towing a boat trailer. C. Any vehicle with 3 or more axles or weighing more than 4,000 pounds. Correct answer A. Tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. If you are driving on a freeway and the vehicle in front of you is a large truck, you should drive. A. Closer behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. B. Further behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. C. To the right side of the truck and wait to pass. Correct answer B. Farther behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. You may cross double yellow lines to pass another vehicle if the A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. B. Yellow line next to the other side of the road is broken. C. Lines are solid on both sides. Correct answer A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. The safest precaution that you can take regarding the use of cellular phones and driving is A. Use hands-free devices so you can keep both hands on the steering wheel. B. Keep your phone within easy reach so you won't need to take your eyes off the road. C. Review the number before answering a call. Correct answer A. Use hands-free devices so you can keep both hands on the steering wheel. You must file a report of traffic accident occurring in California, SR1, with DMV within 10 days if you A. Fail to pay your registration fees within 90 days. B. Are involved in a collision and there is an injury. C. Plan on being out of the state for more than 30 days. Correct answer B. Are involved in a collision and there is an injury. If your vehicle starts to hydroplane, you should A. Accelerate to gain more traction. B. Apply the brakes firmly. C. Ease off the accelerator and steer straight. Correct answer C. Ease off the accelerator and steer straight.